Romans 10:13 and 14. For everyone who calls on the name of the Lord will be saved. How then will they call on him in whom they have not believed? And how are they to believe in him of whom they have never heard? And how are they to hear without someone preaching to them?
My friend's rooster attacked me. My grandmother said, take the rooster and hang him upside down for 60 seconds. I did. And he was like, I set him down. He was on his back. And then he immediately rolled over and then he ran off. I don't think he'll bother me at all. Pip number 2 rested most of the day. Now she is working on getting out. Pip number 3 seems to be stationary. I am not sure what is happening with her. Pip number 1 is almost entirely fluffed out and is friends with the geese. We have a Pip number 4, a Pip number 5, and a Pip number 6 that are just quietly resting.